Hello children, this is Manika Singh, faculty of Mount Lutra Z School Jhansi, and today we are going to do class 2 English literature poem of unit 4 Rain. Children, what is the meaning of rain? Rain means water drops coming from the sky, and I hope everybody loves rain, or everybody waits for the rainy season. Why? Because we can play with our paper boats, we can wear our gumboots, we can wear our raincoats, and we can also use umbrella. So these are the activities you can do in the rain, and I think everybody enjoys the rainy season. So here the poet also trying to say that whenever there is a rainfall, whenever there is a rainy season, it is everywhere. It is in the field, in the trees, on the umbrellas, houses, schools, markets, everywhere there is a rain. Rainfall doesn't mean that it is falling on a one particular place. It is everywhere. So let's start with our poem. The rain is raining all around means the rain is everywhere. We can see rain everywhere. If we move out of our house, we can see rain. If we move to our schools, then also we see rain. If we move to some marketplace, then also we see rain. It falls on field and tree. It also falls on fields and trees. Fields means the places where farmer works, and trees, the rain also falls on the trees. It rains on the umbrellas here. Now here you can see the child has used umbrella to save herself from rain, but she saved herself from the rain, but the rain is falling on umbrella. So rain is also falls on the umbrella and on the ships at sea, and rain is also on the ships, those who are moving in the sea. So here we have seen in this poem that rain is everywhere. It is all around. It is in the field, it is on the trees, it is on umbrella, and it is also on the ships. I hope you have understood the poem. Your homework will be to read and learn poem of Unit 4 Rain. Thank you children. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.